Hi and welcome. If you're an international nurse or caregiver looking for a job in Greece with free visa sponsorship, you're in the right place. In the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through every step, from meeting the license requirements to landing your dream job in Greece. And here's some exciting news. As part of our present launch offer, the first 100 candidates can join GlobalHealthJobs.ai for just £49.99. This includes job applications, visa guidance, and free Danish and Greek language modules. So don't miss out. Spots are filling fast. Let me walk you through the complete process step by step. Step 1. Ensure your credentials are right. You need a nursing degree from an accredited institution and current registration with your home country's nursing regulatory body. Make sure all your documentation is current and properly authenticated. Most positions require at least 2 years of clinical experience in your specialty area. Greece has high demand for nurses in critical care, emergency medicine, and elderly care. Take time to verify that all your credentials meet international standards before proceeding. Having everything properly prepared will save you time in the application process. Once your credentials are in order, let's move to recognition. This is especially important for international candidates from outside the EU. Getting your credentials right is the foundation of your successful application. Greece maintains high professional standards, so thorough preparation of your credentials is essential for success. Step 2. For international nurses, credential recognition and language. You'll need to get your qualifications validated by the Greek authorities through DOATAP. All documents must be officially translated into Greek by certified translators. Greek language proficiency is mandatory. You'll need at least B2 level Greek to communicate effectively with patients and colleagues. Start learning Greek early. It typically takes 6-12 months to reach the required proficiency level. Focus especially on medical terminology and patient communication phrases in Greek. The credential recognition process typically takes 3-6 months to complete. Prepare supporting documentation including detailed transcripts, work experience certificates, and professional references. The authorities will assess whether your qualifications are equivalent to Greek nursing education standards. You may need to take an official Greek language proficiency test as part of the process. Understanding Greek healthcare culture and patient care expectations will help you succeed. Thorough preparation in both credential recognition and language will set you up for success. With recognition and language sorted, you're ready for licensing. Step 3. Apply for license and pass exam. Submit your application to the Greek Nursing Regulatory Authority with all required documentation. Prepare thoroughly for the licensing exam, which tests both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. The exam covers medical knowledge, nursing procedures, Greek healthcare regulations, and patient safety. You'll need to demonstrate practical nursing skills in a clinical assessment. Use official study guides and practice exams to familiarize yourself with Greek nursing standards. Passing this exam validates your competency for the Greek healthcare system. Upon successful completion, you'll receive your official Greek nursing license. Register with the appropriate Greek Nursing Professional Association. This validates your skills and qualifications for working in Greek healthcare facilities. Step 4. Secure a job offer. Key to visa sponsorship. You need an employer willing to sponsor your work visa and provide the necessary documentation. Search through verified job boards, recruitment agencies, and direct hospital applications. Many Greek hospitals actively recruit international nurses and are experienced with visa sponsorship. Prepare a compelling CV highlighting your international experience and Greek language skills. Be prepared for interviews that may be conducted in Greek to assess your language proficiency. Negotiate your employment contract, including salary, benefits, and visa sponsorship commitments. Your employer will provide official sponsorship letters and documentation required for your visa application. Securing a job offer with visa sponsorship is a major milestone in your journey to working in Greece. Step 5. Apply for work visa and residency permit. Gather all required documents including your job offer, employer sponsorship letter, and financial proof. Submit your work visa application at the Greek embassy or consulate in your home country. Visa processing typically takes 4-8 weeks, so apply well in advance of your intended start date. complete required medical examinations, and obtain health certificates as part of your application. Provide police clearance certificates from all countries where you've lived recently. Once approved, you'll receive your work visa, allowing entry to Greece. Upon arrival in Greece, apply for your residency permit within the required time frame. Your residency permit provides legal status to live and work in Greece long term. With visa and residency sorted, you're legally ready to start your Greek nursing career. Step 6. Apply via GlobalHealthJobs.ai. Here's where we make your journey easier. Visit GlobalHealthJobs.ai, register and subscribe. Apply to verified free visa sponsorship jobs in Greece, nursing and caregiving. Get ATS CV correction, cover letters and interview prep plus. Free Greek language lessons are included inside your subscription. And remember, as part of our present launch offer, you can grab this entire package for just £49.99 if you're among the first 100 members. Hurry before it goes up. Everything you need for your Greek nursing career journey, all in one comprehensive platform. Your complete pathway to nursing success in Greece, powered by AI technology. Step 7. After arrival, stay compliant and integrate. Obtain your Greek tax number, AFM, from the tax office within your first days. Register with the Greek Nursing Association and any relevant professional bodies in your specialty. Participate in hospital orientation programs to understand Greek healthcare protocols and procedures. Build relationships with Greek colleagues and integrate into the local healthcare community. Engage in continuing professional development to stay current with Greek healthcare standards. Maintain compliance with all legal and professional requirements for working in Greece. Successful integration leads to a rewarding career serving patients in the Greek healthcare system. With proper preparation and integration, you'll build a successful long-term career in Greek healthcare. To recap, get your degree and license, validate your credentials, learn Greek, pass the exam, find your job offer, apply for visa and residency, join GlobalHealthJobs.ai for full guidance. And with our launch offer of £49.99 for the first 100 candidates, you get full mentorship, verified employers, and free language training all in one place. So head over to GlobalHealthJobs.ai right now, claim your spot, and take the first step toward your new career in Greece. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside GlobalHealthJobs.ai.